Hello everyone, in this video we are going to see a quick demo of this Kenwood Maruti Genuine Accessory CD player which I sourced from the local market in Palanpur. So I visited this really small shop in Palanpur which retails car stereo systems. Mostly old sets, both branded as well as unbranded, which are refurbished and Bluetooth systems added and then sold by the owner. This is a very old shop which was started by the owner's father, and he knew his way with the working and repairing of these sets. So let's go ahead and open this unit. It's a very old unit and it must have changed a lot of hands. There you go, the faceplate. This faceplate is detachable and they have also given a unit with the top fascia, removable fascia here. So there you go. Quite some blemishes and marks of usage is visible, but this is an original Maruti unit which was retailed by Nippon Electronics, which is still their official audio dealer. So this unit model number is KTC U2063. It was made in Indonesia. It has a CD player, but I have not tested if it's working because I don't have any CDs with me right here. But it has Bluetooth, which the dealer had installed from his end, and I confirmed that it is working. At the rear, you have this heatsink for the main amplifier. You can see the amplifier legs here. So, and these are the subwoofer pre-outs. So they are marked your rear subwoofer outs. So left and right. And this is for your antenna. The 16 pin connector here, the ISO connector, which you can see here, and a 10 amp fuse. The whole panel here, this is easy to remove. It comes like this. So let's go ahead and clean this unit. So what we'll do is we'll use a combination of a discarded toothbrush and some earbuds and isopropyl alcohol. This is available in chemist shops and even electronic shops. Guys, please be sure not to use thinner for cleaning because thinner can easily dissolve plastic and it will leave permanent marks wherever you use it for cleaning. After the first round of cleaning with the discarded toothbrush, we switched to a microfiber cloth again with isopropyl alcohol. It's a good idea to be a little careful while cleaning the interior parts because as it is, the unit is a little old and there's a good chance things may break if you are not very careful. We really don't have to clean this metallic surface because it's not going to be visible from outside, but I was just being a little paranoid because it was very dirty. So then I decided to give it a rub on all the four sides and the back. So let's go ahead and give the connection. So this is my trusty old bench power supply that I've made from a Corsair VS450 power supply, computer power supply, SMPS. So this is the plus 12 volt. So you're going to have to connect both the yellow and the red leads, and the black one is the ground. Just ensure that the two are not in the same vicinity so they don't get shorted. Now you have the speaker connections. So I'm just going to test it. For that, what I have in mind is I have this speaker from Bose. This is a Hyundai OE speaker. Sorry about the crude connections, guys. I'm just going to have to demonstrate it to you. Additionally, I also have this tweeter from Tata Harman OE again. So let's connect this. Okay, now under auxiliary, if now I have my iPad Air here, and let's connect the Bluetooth. Very simple to connect. You will have BT SS1 coming here, this one. So let's connect to that, and it quickly connects. You get an acknowledgement message. The unit has a very lovely illumination, guys. Let me just turn off the lights. So that is as far as this Kenwood system goes. The idea was to have a cassette player like what came with the Zen VX, but unfortunately I couldn't lay my hands on a very good unit. I saw many units being sold at atrocious prices, so I didn't want to have that. Instead I got another Kenwood, just that it's a CD player, and yes, it is a Maruti Suzuki genuine accessory. So quite a simple unit, a very good display. It has USB as well as an aux jack here. I got this unit for rupees 2,700, guys, and I tried bargaining hard, but that guy was reluctant to sell it for a cheaper price. I also have a set of Alpine speakers here, which I got recently. This is a unit. So I'll be installing this in the Zen. So for now, that is all, guys.